Hello guys, hope you all are doing good. In this video we are going to learn to develop an Android application called To-Do List. This tutorial is going to be for total beginners. That means those who have just started to learn Android app development and at a beginner stage and want to upscale their app development skills to next level. Means they just know how to work with little bit of components but not yet has done any massive project, and they want to start working on massive projects. So if you want to learn about app development at a very basic level but with some strong concrete level of understandings, this video is for you and it's perfect for upscaling and stepping ahead with your Android app development journey. This video is going to be a series of videos in which we will see step by step how to develop a basic level but smoothly working to-do list application with different features as well. We will implement different features inside the to-do list application in further stage. So let's start working on it. First I will create one project, that is to-do list application. I will create empty views activity and I will name it to do list, and here it is written as com.example.todo-list. We will leave it as it is, as we are not planning to publish this application further, and we will not touch any other settings because all looks good. We are gonna work in Kotlin. If you guys want tutorial or help with development in Java language as well for Android, you can let me know. So let's continue. Okay. Okay, so our project is being created and now I will try to run it. Let's run. I will hide this part and I will open the device manager. Okay, here is our virtual device. We can see the app running here. As you can see, our application is already running on the virtual device. In the center of the screen of the virtual device, you can see hello world is written. We will try to make some changes to it from the code section. So here is our text view. We will add ID. Okay, and naming it text view. Let's name it text view 00 so that we can recognize it, and I will connect that view with the Java code. Find view by RD, and we have to mention the type, that is text view type, and now r dot id dot text view 00, you can see, and now we will set the text to whatever we want this way. Let's type it new to do list application. Okay, we have an error here. Why it says an error? Okay, it will go with the execution of the code. We will run the application now. So here you can see our new to-do list application text is updated, and the error has also gone. What is happening here is when the layout is being set in the content view, okay, so what is happening is it's gonna show whatever view we have set here and whatever data we provide inside the XML code. But here when this one execution completes, it goes to next line, and this code is being executed where it is setting this new to-do list application text, and then here the text is updated. If I remove this code, then what will happen is that this updation that is happening in the next line is not gonna happen, and it will show as it is hello world. So that is what is happening here, and we don't need, of course, this text view as well. Here we will create other views. So right now we have created this to-do list application project, okay, and now we will continue with development of further components to work as a to-do list application.